In the heart of the African savanna resided a wise elephant named Mandla. His presence was commanding, both for his size and the aura of wisdom he carried. Mandla was renowned among the animals for having an extraordinary memory and for the sound advice he offered. One hot afternoon, a young meerkat named Lonnie approached Mandla with a troubled heart. "Great Mandla," she began, looking up at him with earnest eyes, "I am worried about the dry season. My family struggles to find food, and I fear we won't survive its harshness." Mandla looked at Lonnie with kind eyes, gently flapping his ears to chase away a persistent fly. "Fear not, young one. The savanna provides for those who are resourceful. Allow me to show you a secret path," Mandla said. He turned slowly, his massive footsteps thundering a rhythm across the earth as Lonnie followed closely. They traversed the golden grasslands, with the sun drawing long shadows behind them. Mandla led Lonnie to a hidden grove where rare fruits grew abundantly. "Remarkable!" exclaimed Lonnie, eyes wide with delight. "Remember," Mandla advised, lifting a trunk full of fruit and gently placing it before Lonnie, "nature demands respect. We must only take what we need today and leave the rest for tomorrow." Empowered by these words, Lonnie returned to her family. With Mandla's wisdom, the meerkat clan learned to adapt, storing food cleverly and ensuring every member understood the importance of balance. Seasons came and went, and every visit to the grove was taken with humility and gratitude. Lonnie grew into a strong and wise leader, always respecting the symphony of life Mandla had taught her. The meerkats thrived, their unity even stronger as Mandla's legacy echoed through Lonnie's leadership. Mandla, meanwhile, continued to roam the savanna, advising all who came his way, never wavering from his purpose of teaching the wisdom of coexistence. He became a legend among all creatures, a symbol of wisdom and guardianship. And so, the great Mandla ensured that the savanna's heartbeat echoed with harmony and wisdom, preserving its beauty for generations to come.